Hi everyone, welcome to Scrappittarius on YouTube. I have an outgoing pen pal letter to share with you today. This went out to Abigail. She's in the US, and I am responding to a letter she'd sent me. She'd sent me a card, in fact. And it's been a while I received it. I think I received it in March. And I am writing back only now because, as some of you may know, a lot's been going on here in India and also on the personal front. I was caught up with a number of things, but I finally had the time and the frame of mind to sit down and make this mail for Abby. I'm so excited to be writing to her. This is the envelope. I'm showing you the stamps, and I made this envelope out of thick cardstock. It's scrapbook paper, and I think I'm trying to show you how big the envelope is. It's pretty large. This I don't know if this also counts as an explosion envelope. I guess you'll know when you see it. So I really loved how this came together. This has to be the flattest snail mail I've made so far. I typically make flipbooks, which tend to be very chunky, but I love how this is not alligatoring at all. It's sitting in place, and I love how the gussets worked out perfectly. So shorter gussets on the short edge and longer thicker gussets on the long edge. And yep, that's the closure. Looks a bit like a clutch. And that's my very weak lettering, attempt at lettering, but I think overall it's not looking so bad. I decorated the front of the mail with scraps of paper from the collection I've used and washi tape. I love this foiled washi. It was a favorite, and I ran out. This got over, but it's okay. I'm moving on. Let's look at what we have here. So this thing opens out like an envelope, or rather like an explosion box. It says smile. So this was originally a sticker, but it was in a color that didn't work with this mail, so I colored it black. I added some accents using a border punch, and that's how it opens up. You can see stickers on this end, and then the letter is here in the envelope on the right, and a large pocket in the center. So this I made this out of a 12 by 12 sheet of scrapbook paper. Showing you my letter to Abby. It's pretty simple. I had to keep the letter a little short, as in shorter than my usual 6 to 8 pages, because this mail wouldn't fit something very thick. I will seal that envelope once I'm done with the pictures and filming it. So here's a bunch of snail mail goodies, and love that paper in the background. And that's a sticker, and so is this. And with these, I always write that this is a sticker because it may look like a journaling card otherwise. And a few doilies, some memo sheets, and letter paper, and a postcard. Yep. I like how the colors work together: blue, teal, white, gold, the green. I packed her a few stickers in this. I think I'm able to show you the stickers. Yep, right. I am. So I have terrariums, and then dream catchers. These are the ones that work with the colors I've used. And these stickers are from Stickeroo here in India. She is on Instagram as Stickeroo, so you can look her up. And there's a crystal sticker that I've included, and I've used one of those in my mail as well, the pink. And this tiny envelope here has some labels, die cuts and labels. And I know Abby likes tea, so I'm sending her a bunch of teas from here, turmeric tea and chamomile. And that's all for this mail. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel. I have other videos coming up after this. And thank you for joining. I really appreciate it. Bye bye.